Hello, Professor. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank you for taking the time to write my introductions. My name is Huân Nghĩa Lợi and I am currently an undergraduate student majoring in chemical technology at the University of Science Vietnam National University, Ho Chi Minh City. Currently, my research field is organic synthesis and the use of organic compounds to form complexes with metal and specifically rare earth elements. I have had 2 years to become familiar with my research field and to train my laboratory skill. Currently, I am doing my thesis on the use of ionic liquid to absorb rare earth elements through a complexation mechanism. Through this program, I would like to step outside my current environment to see more, gain a deeper understanding, and keep up with global research trends. Finally, thank you, Professor, for your listening to my introduction.